FedEx just delivered this package, and this has been in the works for probably the last 4 to 5 weeks, so I'm pretty excited. I hope you guys like what's in this. Let's open it up and check it out. That's right, I got some embroidered patches made with your favorite girl. This is the first embroidered patch I've ever had made, and I probably should have done this years ago, but better late than never. And now I'm going to try to heat press one onto a hat. Not sure how this is going to go because I've never done it, but let's give it a shot. So I've never used this heat press to put an iron-on patch on before. You're supposed to put a Teflon paper over this so that your patch doesn't melt on this. This is boring. Anyway, I'm going to put a paper towel on it and just hope for the best. So here we go. I'm hoping the paper towel doesn't catch on fire. That actually almost worked. The edges were peeling up a little bit, so I'm just going to press it again for, I don't know, 20 seconds and we'll see what happens. That actually worked. I'm so excited. It's a really good seal on here. Usually with iron-on patches, you need to iron the backside to really get the adhesive to stick, but that heat press gets pretty hot, so I think it's gonna hold up well. It looks centered. I think it's a little crooked, so I have some fine tuning to do. Anyway, I'm super stoked to be able to make these right here in my shop. These patches are now available on my website. If you'd like to order one, that'd be super awesome. Just go to jeffclausen.com. There'll be a link in the description. As for the hats, I'm not sure if I'll put these online yet, but they're definitely going to be available in my shop. So if you want to pick one of these up in person, come down to my shop, 1211 Pine Street, downtown Paso Robles. And I guess that's it. Hope to see you soon. Hope you guys love the patches, and I'll see you in the next video.